What it do with it? Now what's up? So welcome back. Today I'm gonna start off with the I think it's Yvonne water spray, just something that you spray to hydrate your face. And my brushes for today, I'm gonna be using the Elf 19 set brush set that I purchased from Marshall's. This was a good deal. I got this for $24, and you can find it on at Walmart for like 50 something dollars. So I got this for a really good deal. So starting off, we need to moisturize the lips because the lips was bleeding, girl. The lips was bleeding, girl. So j'ai dit que le price là, j'ai eu ça en Marshall, j'ai eu ça pour 24 dollars. Ils achètent ça, bon, ils vendent ça aux différents stores, magasins pour 50 dollars. So j'ai ça pour un bon deal, huh? So fast forward to my eyebrows. We're not going to talk about my brows, so we're just going to fast forward our way through the tutorial. Je vais pas parler de mon sourcil, on va seulement regarder, and c'est tout ce qu'on va faire. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer and also the Maybelline Fit foundation. Je vais mélanger mon concealer avec aussi mon fond de teint de Maybelline. And this is like an everyday wear. If you like to go full coverage, this foundation is not for you. I'm going to say that again. Si tu aimes les fonds de teint, ça cache les boutons, les taches. Cette fondation, si ça va pas vraiment cacher tous tes boutons ou les taches, it's not gonna hide all. It's not gonna give you a full coverage. It's more for like a lightweight, everyday wear foundation. Right now, I'm out of all my foundations, so this is the only foundation that I have with me at the moment. So yeah, we're just going to do all that. And then I'm going to go underneath the eyes and I'm going to conceal using the Milani Concealer. On va concealer. Concealer, hein? If that's the word. Concealer. Je vais utiliser mon Milani Concealer. This is a drugstore concealer. It's very much so affordable for those of you who don't have the money or you just broke like me. This concealer is very affordable. I love it. It's full coverage. It comes with a foundation, it's like a 3-in-1 foundation, so you don't really have to use a lot. But I prefer to conceal all my sins away. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So we're gonna go back in with the Tarte concealer. On va encore rajouter Tarte concealer just to have that highlight effect. This one is a lot more lighter than the Milani concealer. Le couleur c'est différent avec le Milani. So yeah, so you know the face, you know the vibe. We like ourselves, we're confident, but the face sometimes we be like, listen sis, it's time to contour. I'm going to be using the, I think it's Nika New York concealer as a contour. This is only because I lost my Fenty contour stick. So we have no choice but to humble ourselves and go back to drugstore. Okay? Not saying that it's bad. It is a bad thing because Fenty was doing a job. Just listen to the name Fenty. Like sis. Come on now. So yeah, we're just going to contour all around the face. J'ai dit que c'est contour ici. Il faut me quitter ça. Fenty, on a perdu mon Fenty. C'est pour cela que je vais utiliser ce drugstore concealer. Je vais prendre le brosse de Elf. Je vais utiliser ça pour mon nez. The colors are a lot darker than my regular contour concealer. So like I had to go back in and reapply my lighter concealer just to balance everything out. Les couleurs de cette contour ici, c'était un peu noir. C'est pas noir, mais c'était... Couleur, c'était pas mon couleur, hein? C'est que j'utilise quand je fais contour. C'est pour ça que j'ai rajouté mon Tarte concealer, les couleurs. Tout le monde a pembe mais pembe underneath the eyes, en bas des yeux, pembe c'est okay. So yeah, so with this, I got a little bit too heavy-handed. A lot of do's and don'ts when it comes to this Airspun translucent powder. The heavy-handed part caused it to be very ashy, and I didn't moisturize my face after I sprayed that water thing, so it made my face super dry along the makeup stage. So when I wiped this off, I looked very cakey, so it didn't help me at all. So you're gonna see me freak out in a couple minutes. J'ai dit que ces poudres ici, j'ai mis beaucoup. Hein? na mi mon neti na tiens ma fouta te maman. Je me vois comme si j'ai pas mis les lotions. Si tu mets beaucoup de ça, et puis aussi ma figure est kaoki, ça va pas être bien. C'est ça ce que je dis. So I had to like spray a whole bunch of setting spray just to get my face to calm down and get that high product off of me, if that makes sense. So yeah, so we're just gonna brush the comb. Sis, what are you talking about? We're just gonna brush the eyebrows and just get the eyeshadows started. So for the first transition color, we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So I'm gonna use that dark purple, and I'm just gonna use that for my crease if I have one. I have double skin when it comes to my eyelids, and it's sometimes tricky when it comes to applying eyeshadows because it's just skin on skin on skin. Je dis que mes yeux, quand je vais faire mes fards à paupières, j'ai beaucoup de posuleki mingi. Posuleki mingi, maman. C'est pour ça que c'est un peu difficile parce que j'ai beaucoup de posos. Comment on dit ça en français? You guys are watching. Mais le couleur c'est bien. This color is really nice. I like the more you blend it, the better it gets. So I like the blending effect of it. So yeah, and plus I'm not a color person, but 2020 we are going to be a color all year round person. All year long. You're right. But yeah, so next I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Revere palette. This is about $45 on the website, AnastasiaBeverlyHill.com. I think it's also at Sephora for $45. I got this palette at Marshall's for a good $25. Yes, sis. Save your coins. You're welcome. So, je vais rajouter ces couleurs-là by Anastasia Beverly Hills. J'ai dit que j'ai acheté ça pour $25. Si tu achètes ça dans leur site, c'est $45. Ou bien Sephora, c'est $45. Hein, maman? Si vous avez un bon goûter, qui est dans Marshall. Si tu n'as pas d'argent, pars au Marshall. Tu vas vraiment save. But yeah, I'm going to go back with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And I'm just going to use that brown and do for my outer crease, my outer eyelid, and also the inner part of my eyes, if that makes sense. Everything you see that I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. You feels? Okay. So j'ai dit que avec ces couleurs-ci marron, je vais rajouter ça à dehors de mon fer à paupières. Et puis aussi, nakati nango, maman. So yeah, tout ce que je suis en train de faire, tu voyais, c'est ça ce que je suis en train de faire. Faut pas être compliqué. Merci. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna blend all the colors and blend everything together. So this was the mistake that I did. This color didn't really pop as much and it was really hard to blend. So we're just gonna ignore this entire step because this entire step wasn't supposed to happen. I got happy-handed and got hyper and thought I was a makeup artist for once, and that was not the case. So we're just going to skip that part. So this is the most important part right here. Je vais faire cette couleur ici. J'ai dit que les couleurs, si j'avais mis le bleu là, on va ignorer. On n'a pas besoin de parler de ça. So with this color, we're just going to add. This color was so bomb. Yo, I was worried at first. J'étais vraiment, we're going to ignore that vocabulary in French. Yeah, I was worried. It was very concerning me. I was concerned, but the color came out really nice. I'm just going to use that and I'm going to give myself like a cut crease effect, but not really a cut crease effect, but it is a cut crease effect. Just listen, sis, okay? I know we added the brown in the inner part of my eyes. Ignore that. Okay, we're not a makeup artist. We're just trying. We're trying. So that's what we did. J'ai dit que je vais faire ça comme un cut crease, mais c'est pas vraiment un cut crease. Je vais aussi prendre les couleurs là, je vais rajouter en haut de bleu. and just give it that more of a blue effect. I like the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. They have some really bomb colors, and their colors are very pigmented. So Juvia Place, if you see me, what's up? You know, what's up? We could sponsor a video. You feel me? You know? But yeah, so I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna blend. I'm gonna blend. The blending part is like the best part. It's very therapeutic. I love blending. It's like dribbling a basketball, you know? Blending makes my world. On va mélanger avec tout, avec ce même brosse qui n'a rien. J'ai mélangé. La même chose, je fais en haut, je vais faire en bas. Everything that I did upstairs, on top of my eyes, I am going to also do at the bottom. So, back with the lashes, we're just going to add the mascara. Now, with this look, I should have did like an eyeliner, but I didn't put eyeliner on, so it made it look very weird. I couldn't find my eyeliner. Maybe I should start looking for eyeliners before. I need to get my stuff together before I do videos, okay? I need to stop this get up and go thing. It's not good. So yeah. So yeah, this eyeliner thing didn't work out, so I should have applied eyeliner. But with that being said, we're going to set our face with the Contour Kit by Black Radiance. And I'm a big user when it comes to this Contour Kit. It's really nice. I like the effect that it gives me. It's not too harsh, but it's just enough. But for my blush, I used the Zulu palette for my blush. And I mixed it with the e.l.f., I believe. The e.l.f. palette. And then I went in with my Too Faced highlight. And yeah, j'ai dit que pour mon blush, j'ai utilisé e.l.f. avec aussi Juvia's Place. Après ça, for my highlight, j'ai utilisé Too Faced for my highlight. And for my lips, I just went in with a super dark eyeliner. I'm looking for a brown effect eyeliner. I haven't found the perfect brown yet, but yeah. On va utiliser Zulu palette pour mon lèvre, pour mes lèvres. I'm going to use the Zulu palette as my lips, and I'm going to add a lip gloss. And that pink was perfect. So this is how the look came out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Merci pour regarder. And I'll see you guys in the next video.